Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to go back on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you're on any page on your Apple Watch settings or anywhere in your Apple Watch and you want to go back to the previous page, all you need to do is swipe right. So you just need to swipe towards the edge crown depending on the location of the crown. If this crown is on the left, so you can just need to swipe left. But if the crown is on the right, just swipe right like this, and this will take you back to your previous page. Alternatively, you can just click on this backward arrow, and that's going to take you back on your Apple Watch. So the two ways you can use to go back on Apple Watch is to either swipe towards the digital crown on the screen, or better still, use the backward arrow either at the top left or at the top right, depending on the position of the digital crown. And that is it. So that is basically how to go back on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.